ay December 5, 2025. This is for you, ma'am. Ma'am, I really want you to know they really love you so much and really miss you, really care. And even though you leave me when I was 11 years old, Chris is 5 years old, my younger sister, Gigi is 12 years old. Even though you leave us when we are children, kids, then your plan that you will go to Alaskan Ridge, married American man like Terry McDermott, then because your plan is after 5 years, then you will get us petition with us so that we could be together at the Alaskan Ridge. Then we will be together again. And I'm sad to say, your partner, your husband, your ex-husband is ruin your life. Your life become like an hell because of your husband, because of him. He did not treat you well, he will, Uncle Terry did not treat you good, only a bad way like that. Then that's why the reason why you cannot go home and meet with us each personally, and you cannot petition with us. And but you will work as a fisherman before, and manglimpyo sa dalan like that, and McDonald's, and you really Mamanching McDermott, Villas Carrido, you will try your very best to earn money because you're a single mom here with 3 kids, Anna and Gigi. Chris, me is Anna, and the second one of daughter of Mama and G. Then you will do everything to earn money so that you can send a money with us to our, so that we have a nice house to live, to rent apartment, then so that we can eat food delicious, our favorite food, so that we have a good clothes to wear, then so that we have we could study a private school, elementary Salazar High School, CIT, and Southwestern GG's San Carlos, and college GG's San Jose, me and Asian and Veles like that, so that we could go to a private school, high school, elementary, especially college. Mama G, for me, you're a hero, mom. You're a great mother. If I will die now, if I will live again, I want your mother. Gusto ko ikaw pa rin yung mama ko. I want you still my mom on that moment, on that time. Because for me, but I want it that we have a time together na. It's very sad of my children. I have a trauma because I was 1 to 11 years old, only have a mom experience, have a mom at my side. And after all, when I was 12 years old until now, I can experience that I have mom at my side. Because mom, you will stay in the far away places, somewhere in the Alaskan cold places. There are lots of wolves, bear there. It's what's so scary, and you will scare the Eskimos people. Then, Mama G, you will kanang you will try everything. Then to make us happy, to make us satisfied our life. You will give everything. So for me, you're my hero. If kung wala ka ma'am, matagal na sana kami namatay sa gutom. Hindi kami nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral, hindi kami nakakain ng masarap na pagkain, magandang tirahan, magandang damit, nakapag-aral ng private elementary, high school, college, private ha. Dahil ginawa mo lahat ma'am, para may bigay sa amin yun. Tinis mo yung malamig malayo na lugar sa Alaskan Courage. Lahat tinis mo yun para lang may bigay ka na $1 pera sa amin. You will do everything to send money with us so that we can spend prestigious schools, a private school, elementary, high school, college, and we can eat delicious foods, and we can live a good apartment. And Ma'am Anjing, for me, you're a hero mom, you're a great mom, then you're a bright woman because you study San Carlos Elementary High School and College and engineering like that. And you're so good in English. Then Ma'am Anjing, you're so pretty. Namana ko yung kagandahan mo. Thank you very much. Then, you know what? I'm very happy because you told me, An, ang galing mo sumayaw. An, ang ganda mo, ang ganda-ganda mo, mana ka sa Lola Clara mo. And for me, your friends, Mama Jing tell me that mana ako sa yung mukha ko. Kamukha lang tao, kamukha mo raw ako. For me, my childhood life from 1 year to 11 years old, my experience to mother only 11 years old, from 1 to 11 years old. But I wish that we spend time together. Sana sa panahon natin, ma'am, nandoon na yung mga boys town, girls town. Sana doon mo na lang kami iniiwan, ma'am. Kami Gigi, Chris. Ay di, Gigi, ako, An. Tapos si Chris. Tapos ikaw nag-ano ka na lang, ma'am. Nag-work ka na lang. Kasi sa girls town, ma'am, exclusive lang yun for girls. Tapos inalagaan kami ng madre doon. Pinakain nila kami. Sana, ma'am, then magkasakit kami, may doktor din na tumitingin sa amin mag-alaga. Ganun rin sa boys town. Sana, ma'am, dati nagkaroon ng girls town para iniiwan mo na lang kami doon para hindi walang reason na mularga ka sa Las Cancurig, mag-asawa ka na Mercado si Terry McDermott. At saka sana, ma'am, kasi kung nilagay mo kami sa girls town kasi masaya rin kami doon kasi magsama kami tatlong kapatid, Gigi, Anna, ni Chris. Kailangan mo kaming iiwan doon, ma'am, para makapag-work ka. Tapos, sabi ni Caroline, kasalanan ng Mama Anjing mo kung lumaki kayo, nung bata pa kayo sa somewhere in the Mandawi, wala kayong kain, halos namatay ko sa gutom, sa sakit. Kasi sana kung iniiwanan lang kayo ng Mama Anjing mo sa DSWD, sana hindi nyo maranasan yung trauma, ang walang kain. Kasi yung huminto ng pag-aral, dati huminto kami, guys, ng pag-aral. 3 years kami nag-grade 1, pabalik-balik kasi wala kaming pera. Wala kaming pangkain, wala kaming baon, wala kaming pang-uniform, walang pa-school supply, walang lahat. Kasi para sa akin, inutil kasi yung gobyerno dati, walang single mom na money support. Sana may purpose na agad dati, di ba? Nag-survey sila dati. Uy, si Anjing, makapasa talaga ito si Anjing. Kasi single mom lang siya, maaga namatay yung si Lulubin, yung papa niya, Lola Clara, yung mama niya. Tapos yung kapatid niya, may asawa na, mga brother sister niya. Tapos walang ambag sa buhay niya kasi walang work, mostly walang work. Tapos sana hindi nag-inutil yung gobyerno dati sa Pilipinas, sa Cebu City. Sana may single mom na bigay pera tulong sa Mama Anjing ko sa mga puris kasi nabiling kami sa puris dati. Patay gutom, walang kain. Kailangan kami maghumito ng pag-aaral kasi wala kami pera pang school uniform, school supplies, ganoon. Tapos single mom siya, ang hirap ng kalagayan ni Ma'am Angie dati. Siya lang mag-isa, walang mamang papa na tumulong sa kanya, namatay agad. Brother naman niya, kahit nandyan lang sa tabi niya, wala rin matulong, walang ambag kasi walang work. Yung naman niya, si Caroline Donovan, nakapag-asawa ng David Donovan sa London. Kaso lang, magalit yung husband niya, British, masama kasi galit ng mga British eh. Yung magalit sila kapag tulungan mo yung pamilya nila. Kaya nga nag-work si Caroline eh. Nag-work talaga siya, guys. Na sa kantin para makapadala sa amin, paminsan-minsan lang patago-tago pa. Yung sulat namin, yung gigisi-gisi ni David kasi ayaw ni David, yung husband ni Caroline Donovan na